Hi there, everybody. It's another Friday, the last Friday in the kind of crazy month of March. In fact, it is the last day of the crazy month of March, and so March came in like a lamb. I don't know if you all remember, but it was kind of a nice day, very quiet, and it's very lamb-like right now outside, but we might get some weather. So is March going to go out like a lamb or a lion? No way to tell quite yet. So I thought I would share some weather stuff with you. So there is no group of people on the planet more obsessed with weather, other than weathermen, of course, than gardeners and garden center people. And so I just wanted to show, I do have my cell phone, which has honestly a dozen weather apps, different ones, which I quite like. But then I have this. I'm going to put this close to my mic so you can hear that this ancient thing still works. And he sounds like a robot from the 60s. But we have inherited this. This is passed down from garden center manager to garden center manager for I don't know how long, because I don't know how old this thing is. It's been around as long as I have. So kind of fun. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Spring is the time when we are getting all kinds of stuff into the garden center. Every day we've got trucks and deliveries, from really fun garden art to plants to pots, just everything. And so I just wanted to share a little bit of things that we see as our favorite signs of spring and that we get really excited about when they come in. So first of all, pansies. We have pansies in 4-inch pots and bowls, all kinds of colors. The 4-inch pots are $6.49 and the pansy bowls, 12-inch bowls, are $31.99, and we will have them probably for the next 3 or 4 weeks. They are glorious, fine to have outside as long as the temperature at night is not going to get below, say, 36. If it's going to get colder, the plants will survive, but sometimes the flower buds are damaged. And so if it's going to get much colder than 35 at night, bring it indoors. But other than that, they're fine to be outside. If you want to plant them in your garden, throw a row cover or something on them if we're going to have a chilly night. Another really big sign of spring for us is when the root veg comes in, and we kind of came up with an acronym. I think we decided on PAGO, which doesn't mean anything except that it is seed potatoes, asparagus crowns, garlic, and onion sets. So all of those things are in. It has been in the past an old wives' tale that you should plant your seed potatoes on Good Friday, and so Good Friday will be coming up. It's a week from today, so time to come in and get that kind of thing. We've got lots of that in. The other thing that we have unpacked over the last couple weeks is a big job for us, but we have unpacked all of our outdoor ceramic pots. All colors of the rainbow, all different sizes. Check yours out. If you've got a chip or a crack and you need to replace it, now is the best time to come in because we have a ton of selection. Once we start getting busy, they go really fast. Like dozens of them go out every day. So if you're looking for something in particular, the best time to come in is now. And that goes for saying for furniture special orders as well. Lead times for delivery have gotten much better than they have been over the last couple of years. We're closer to normal than we have been in a long time, but still, there's going to be some time, especially if you want a really special fabric or a complicated finish change. So come on in and talk to our furniture associates. They'd be happy to go over all the options with you, and then that way, if you're planning for a graduation or maybe a wedding this summer, then we can get you set up in style before your event. So, big question of the day. March going out like a lamb or going out like a lion? Let's all think about it. Happy spring from all of us here at the Bruce Company.